Hi there, I'm MD Imran Hossain. I'm a professional UXUI designer. I have got 2 years of experience under my belt working with clients of all sizes to design interfaces that both are beautiful and functional. My expertise lies in UXUI design, mobile app UI design, iOS and Android app UI design, website and landing pages design, dashboard design, SaaS project design, wireframing and prototyping. I'm proficient in all the essential design tools like Figma, Adobe XD, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator and Adobe After Effects. But my real strength lies in understanding your users and translating those insights into a design that resonates with them. Whether you need a complete website or landing page design or redesign, a mobile app refresh or just some design consultation, I can help. Let's work together to create a user experience that drives result. Head over to my Upwork profile to learn more and connect with me today. Thanks for watching.